Yo, what's up YouTube? This your boy Cuss over here at Custom Made Barbershop in Jacksonville. Today I got a video for y'all, and this video is a number 4 on top and a bald on the side. I'm pretty much fading all the way up. Shout out to Barber Illuminati. Shout out to those subscribers that's been subscribing to this channel for a while. Shout out to everybody showing love, okay? If you have been supportive of this channel, shout out to you. Shout out to those of you that have been commenting in the comment section down below. The people that's following me on Instagram, shout out to y'all too. Shout out to my boy Vince. Vince, where you at? Betty Boop, I see you in the comments. And everybody else that's been showing love, okay? Alright, now check me out. All I'm doing right now is I'm cleaning the bottom out. Then I'm gonna use my shavers, my Walls 5-star shavers, to go ahead and clean the sides. Alright, now once I do that, I'm gonna take a non-traditional route to do this fade. I'm gonna start off using, well, I'm gonna use, of course, my Andis Masters. I'm gonna open it all the way with no guard. Then I'm gonna jump up to a 1 guard, okay? And then from the 1 guard, I'm gonna jump back down to the 0 guard. Alright? And then from the 0 guard, I'll jump back up to I want to say the 4 guard, the number 4 guard, clean up the top, then drop back down to a number 3 guard, to the number 2 guard, I'm sorry. And then from the number 2 guard, I'll go back up to the 3 guard, and we'll wrap it up with the tape up, okay? So this right here, if you can see it, my shoulder's in the way. I got no guard, and I got my Andis Masters on right now, and I faded up about 1 inch with the lever opened all the way, okay? So my next move is gonna be to close the Andis Masters halfway. That's what I just did. Now I'm fading right below that 1 inch mark. As you can see, the line is kind of transitioning a little bit already. Okay, so there it goes. The lever's open halfway. You see me do it. Alright, now after I fade right there in between the bald and where the lever was open all the way, what I'm going to do is close the lever all the way. It's very simple, straight to the point. You cannot not understand this. And if you don't understand it, all you got to do is rewind and play it back. And you should be able to get the steps, okay? It's real simple. Alright? Very simple, very straight to the point. Okay? Now I just closed my lever open all the way. Now I'm knocking out that bottom line, okay? So it's simple, from bald to open all the way, open halfway, to now closed all the way. Very simple, 3-step process. Alright, so what I say in the beginning, I'm gonna go from here to the number 1 guard, purple magnetic 1 guard. And shout out to all those barbers that just use 1 clipper to do their haircuts. I know I watch a lot of videos on YouTube where people are using thousands and thousands and thousands of clippers to do 1 haircut. I know you guys don't have 1,000 clippers, especially you guys that's starting out. So I try to keep it simple, try to keep it one clipper per haircut. Although every now and then I might have to grab another pair of clippers, especially if something weird happens. Not that I have to, but I just do because it's convenient. Okay, so I went from one guard, lever open all the way, to, you see what I just did? So I just closed the lever all the way. Go ahead and knocking out that line that I created when I opened it all the way. Alright, now from here, I'm assuming that I jump to the number 4 guard, okay? So like I said in the beginning, I went from the, oh no, I went down to the 0 guard. Okay, yeah, that's what I said. Okay, so this is the 0 guard, and I got the lever closed all the way, and I'm just trying to get in between that no guard and the 1 guard, okay? Okay, so I had the lever open halfway, and now I got it closed all the way. Okay, so y'all just bear with me. I don't always remember the steps that I take when I do these videos. So y'all just bear with me. And chances are, if I do make a mistake or give y'all the wrong information, I always go back and correct it. So now here I am with the number 4 guard. Okay, so I went from no guard to 1 guard to 0 guard. Now I'm at 4 guard. Okay, and y'all know in between 0, 1, and 4 and no guard, I did the lever open all the way and closed all the way. Okay, so with this number 4 guard, all I'm doing is going in every direction against the grain just to make sure I get an even 4. Now I got the number 2 guard, okay? Because you remember at the sides we were using a 1 guard, so right above 1 is 2. Those of you that can count, y'all know you go from 1 to 2. Anyways, I normally don't jump all over the place and go from guard to guard to guard. I know it might seem a little confusing. I'm not trying to confuse anybody. It's just the direction and the order I took, okay? Now, I just closed the lever all the way. So I'm just knocking out that bottom line that was created. All right, so it's really straight to the point. It's really basic. As long as you're paying attention real closely to what I'm doing, you can get what I did, okay? It's not hard at all. I understand that it might be confusing the order that I took it, but if you've been watching my videos, then you understand my mind. You understand why I was jumping all over the place. Okay, so this right here is the 3 guard. I got the lever open all the way. And I'm just trying to transition from the 2 to the 4. Right in between 2 and 4 is 3. Okay? And that pretty much is it, you know what I mean? Got the lever open all the way. I'm probably going to close the lever all the way just to kind of knock that bottom line out. And yeah, this should wrap it up right here. And I'm back with this video. I'm actually fast forward the hairline, the tape up part of this video. So another thing that I do, a lot of people don't know, is before I do the tape up, a lot of time I use a holding spray. That's one of my secrets that I use in order to get a nice crispy line. So I spray a holding spray on the hairline, and it helps me get a clean tape up, okay? A shape up. Alright, so right now I just grabbed the 1 guard, and I see a little bit of detail work that I could have done to clean up the haircut, and that's what I'm doing here. So when you do your haircut, sometimes there's always that one area that you might feel needs a little more work. There's nothing wrong with going back and cleaning up the area that you feel needs a little attention. And like I said, the longer you and the more you do this, the more you'll know what guard to grab and where to go. When you see a little line or a little bulk, you will know exactly where to go to clean it up. So shout out to everybody again that's filling this channel. This is the hairline. It's been supporting this channel. The final product is coming right up. Thank you everybody for subscribing. Follow me on Instagram, Facebook. Don't forget custom_made_cuts. Shout out to Barber Illuminati. Peace.